so check it out. So this here is the packaging that we got. It's actually a fairly large size box and it is quite heavy, so I would recommend carrying it with 2 people. All right, so check it out. So this here is what's inside. You can see our scooter encapsulated. So let's go ahead and free this bad boy and see what it looks like. All right, so in terms of content, so you do get your scooter, which is practically built, which is great. You get a user manual explaining how to go ahead and use it, as well as put together. Surprisingly, it does come with a lock, which is really cool. So this is actually a great quality piece, as well as a charger and a tool set. Now, other than that, let's go ahead and take it outside and try it out. All right, so this here's our Varla Pegasus. Overall, a really aesthetically looking scooter. I love the metallic blue as well as the metallic gray finish. And then you have this gigantic LED screen pointing right at you. Not only that, you also have all the controls in front of you, from a speed control as well as a bell and a throttle control too. Now, it does come with accessories that you can buy, such as this bag here, which I would highly recommend. Literally, you can go ahead and jump on this thing and have so much flex, which makes it really fun to do. Now you have the front and rear light as well as a dual caliper brake system. So let's go ahead and try it out and see what it's all about. Three, two, one, go. Well, there you guys have it. Overall, a lot of fun. I would have to say it feels almost like I'm riding a motorcycle, mainly because the tires are small and wide. Kind of gives you a nice road feel. Other than that, it's really fast, and I would highly recommend it, especially if you're looking for something that's really quick and a lot of fun to play with. With that said, thank you again for watching. See you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.